Hi, this video will attempt to use straightforward language to explain both how diodes work and discuss some of their uses. A diode, in the simplest way possible, is a device in which current can only flow in one direction. They are made out of material which has the ability to both conduct current or insulate against it, depending on the conditions. In this circuit, I've got a 1 volt DC or direct current supply in series with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, just to act as a load. Additionally, I've got a standard diode at the top. As you can see, current is flowing successfully through the diode and completing the circuit. However, if I reverse the diode, like so, the diode blocks the flow of current. If we look again at the circuit with the diode the correct way around, you might notice something strange. There is a difference of about 0.7 volts between before the diode and after the diode. This is because this model of a diode is attempting to simulate a real-world diode. These two graphs show a difference between an ideal diode and a real or practical diode as we would get in the real world. As you can see, an ideal diode would not conduct current at all below 0 volts and fully conduct unlimited current after that zero threshold is passed. However, this is not possible to make in reality. The graph on the right here is a much more realistic example of how a real-world diode works. And as you can see, there is a certain amount of positive voltage that is needed to allow any current to flow. This is typically around 0.7 volts, although this can vary substantially depending on the type of diode. Additionally, real-world diodes have a limit as to how much voltage or current they can resist. In this graph, you can see that once the negative voltage is high enough, the diode reaches what's known as its breakdown voltage and starts allowing current to flow. Diodes have many uses throughout electronics, but one of the common uses is as a rectifier, which turns an AC voltage into a DC voltage. This will likely be discussed more in a future video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you liked it, and see ya!